Wham, bam, you will be satisfied. Wham, bam, wham, bam, Teslacam.
Ben had just taken delivery of his brand new 2022 Model 3 and was driving along in Round Rock, Texas. Just as he was making a protected left turn into a hospital, he heard a loud metal crunch behind him. At first, he thought someone had caused an accident behind him, but a second later he was rear-ended by a Honda van. A Honda Odyssey that had been following from a long distance never slowed down for the red light. It clipped a stopped car, flipped up on two wheels, and drove between lanes, clipping a total of 4 cars before crashing into Ben's Tesla. Luckily, they were close to the hospital, literally in the parking lot. The Honda driver was evaluated for a while by first responders before being discharged on the scene. She had some minor bruising, probably from the airbags. Ben says it's a miracle she hadn't been badly injured. Ben and the other drivers were shocked at what had happened, but none of them had any physical injuries. Since Ben was new to his car, he hadn't yet learned how the Teslacam feature worked. Between that and being shaken up, he didn't think to show the cops his footage at the scene. Later, he was able to retrieve the footage using an undelete tool. Only then did he see how bizarre the accident actually was. Since then, he's shared the footage with the police, as well as with both his and the Honda driver's insurance providers. Ben is still waiting to hear from the repair shop about when or if his car will be fixed. His parting comment to us was, "It had to be a Honda." This submitter was driving his Model 3 in Melbourne, Australia, when he heard the engine of a Nissan Skyline revving up behind him. Let's just say the Nissan driver was driving too fast, too furious. The Nissan driver somehow lost control and crashed into a Hyundai before clipping the back end of the Tesla. The hit acted like a pit maneuver, but the submitter managed to regain control. Luckily, there wasn't a car in the lane to his left. Police, fire, and paramedics responded to the scene. Nobody was injured, and all involved drivers exchanged information. The Tesla is currently in a repair shop, waiting an estimated 3 to 4 weeks for the arrival of replacement parts. Whitaker was driving his Model 3 in Durham, North Carolina. Check out what happened right in front of him when he was planning to take an exit and had just disengaged autopilot. It looks like the driver of an SUV braked for traffic up ahead, and the driver of the black car behind him thought they couldn't stop in time, so they swerved to the left. This caused them to lose control. In the end, they still hit the SUV. This resulted in a massive accident involving several more cars following behind them. Whitaker managed to escape being involved by taking his exit as he'd already intended. He stopped on the off-ramp and called 911 to report what had happened, and he also provided his Teslacam footage to the emergency responders. This submitter was driving down a California highway. It had rained a lot that day, so the roads were wet. Another driver wasn't paying attention while driving really fast behind a pickup truck. They tried swerving around the truck, but they lost control and slammed into the back of it before sliding back across the highway and down into the median. Michelle had parked her Model 3 at her home in Austria. Yeah, I bet you can guess what's going to happen next. The cart demon was huffing and puffing trying to move a big garbage can. This would definitely be a record for the cart demon, but it looks like he's still a little too weak to pull it off. Wait a second. Oh crap! The dumpster just missed Michelle's Tesla before crashing into her neighbor's car instead. She offered the owner a copy of the Sentry Mode footage just in case his insurance provider doesn't watch Wham Bam and isn't aware of the dastardly cart demon. Patrick was driving back from the doctor's office during Storm Eunice when he witnessed some local cell phone repair specialists using their repair skills on their sign. When the light turned green, he decided to wait a second while they lowered the panel just in case a sudden gust of wind caught it. Phew! Luckily, these are repair specialists we're talking about. JP was driving his Model Y in White Plains, New York when he noticed a black Infiniti and a white BMW racing at high speeds behind him. The Infiniti attempted to squeeze between a Honda and another vehicle. The Infiniti struck the white Honda CR-V, but then it just kept driving. JP pulled over and spoke with the driver of the Honda, and she was unhurt. He provided her with a copy of his Teslacam footage, and she was very appreciative. New York State Police came to file an accident report, but the Infiniti's license plate was difficult to make out from the video. JP even tried using some image analysis software to clear up the image, but this didn't help. At best, the video proves they aren't at fault for the damage to their vehicle. This submitter has a rather icy relationship with his neighbor. While getting in his car one day, he noticed he had a new Sentry Mode event to review. When he watched the footage, he saw his neighbor run up to his car and put something beneath one of the Tesla's wheels. The submitter immediately jumped out to see what it was. It turned out it was a big nail lodged between the asphalt and the tire. If he'd pulled away without checking Sentry Mode, it definitely would have punctured his tire. The submitter filed a police report, and an officer has been assigned to investigate. Apparently, the neighbor was upset because the submitter's Tesla had cracked the street. The submitter tells us that there isn't even one crack in his street. Arden was doing about 95 kilometers an hour, or about 60 miles per hour, and using autopilot when the road suddenly became covered in slushy ice. He disabled autopilot and took control, but it was too late. As soon as he was on the shoulder with too much momentum, Arden says he chose to hit the ditch instead of that white marker. He even confidently announced to his passenger, "We're going in the ditch." He cranked the wheel to the left to arrest the descent and avoided the barbed wire fence. The Tesla's all-wheel drive and great traction control helped him regain control and climb out of the ditch without even stopping. In the end, there wasn't any damage to the car. They made it to their destination on time and had a successful photo shoot. Arden's partner Morgan said she was worried about rolling over when the incident started, but then she remembered the crash test videos of the Model Y and how they couldn't get it to roll during testing. She was pretty unfazed by Arden's reaction and his driving. Here's a photo of their car at the solar farm where they wrapped their shoot that night. What a nice 20 megawatt solar installation in southern Alberta. Andreas was driving his Model 3 in Newcastle, Australia when he passed a red Holden. I promise, it is red, Teslacam only makes it look orange. Holden is an Australian auto brand that was owned by General Motors before it was killed off. Andreas thinks this guy might have a problem with American automakers and therefore Tesla, since it's another American car brand. At the red light, Andreas accelerated to get in front of the Holden. That's when the Holden driver went on the attack. He sped up and passed Andreas before brake-checking him to a complete stop. Andreas had no idea what the guy was up to, but he thought it was possible he wanted to fight him. Andreas hit the juice pedal again and zipped around him. Andreas says that the whole situation was pretty bizarre. The Holden driver caught up with him and drove next to him all the way to the next traffic light. After that, the Holden driver drove away. While driving home at around 1 a.m. in Monterrey, Mexico, Arturo noticed something in his peripheral vision. He thought it was a horse, so he started to slow down. That's when he saw it was actually a bunch of donkeys jumping out from underneath the freeway underpass. One of the donkeys ran into the Tesla and gave it a light nudge, but Arturo saw them all safely running across the street. This submitter was using autopilot when his Tesla suddenly started to slow down. He noticed a lot of dust being kicked up, and originally he thought someone may have run over some dirt on the freeway. It wasn't until he pulled over to review his Teslacam footage that he noticed a Mercedes taking a very late exit and slamming into a Hyundai. Both parties were okay, but the Hyundai driver was a little shaken and an ambulance came to check him out. The Mercedes driver was yelling hysterically on the phone, claiming she was the one who'd been hit. The submitter called 911 and the California Highway Patrol arrived within a couple of minutes. The officer gave him his email address written on a piece of paper, which looked like chicken scratch, and asked the submitter to send him a copy of the video. The officer refused to watch the video on the Tesla's screen, so the submitter tried to decipher the officer's handwriting and sent him an email. He still hasn't heard anything back, so he hopes he got the email address right. Rajiv was driving in Redding, California when a semi-truck ran a red light and hit a Jeep. The Jeep spun around and rolled into Rajiv's Tesla. Luckily, everyone involved was uninjured. This might not have been the case had the Jeep entered the intersection half a second earlier. 3 police cars and a fire truck responded to the scene. Rajiv is just relieved it wasn't more serious, as he had his 2 kids in the back seat. Cyber had parked his 3-week-old Model 3 in Asheville, North Carolina. The cart demon possessed the cart of a lady who wasn't paying attention, setting its sights on the Tesla. Cyber received a notification that his alarm had gone off, so he immediately ran out of the store. The lady quickly drove away just as he got back to his car. Judging by her reaction, it looks like she felt bad about it at least. Thankfully, there was no visible damage to the car. War Machine's girlfriend asked to borrow his Tesla because, you know, who doesn't want to drive a Tesla? While driving east on the freeway, she slowed down for traffic before suddenly feeling an impact from behind. The Volkswagen that rear-ended the Tesla was also rear-ended by a Toyota Corolla. All 3 vehicles got off the freeway and the police were called to make a report. War Machine picked up the police report a few days later, and the officer told him that the drivers of both the VW and the Toyota were at fault for driving at an unsafe speed. Rahul was driving his Model Y from San Francisco, California to Dallas, Texas. While driving through Albuquerque, New Mexico, he made an unfortunate lane change and hit some road debris. A piece of metal was lying on the lane markers, and he just happened to make the lane change at the exact wrong time. His reaction time wasn't fast enough, and the metal piece went under the right side of his Model Y. After stopping on the shoulder, he assessed the damage but couldn't see much. Using tape to hold everything together, he continued his road trip and fixed it after returning to San Francisco at the end of his trip. Rahul filed an insurance claim with Tesla Insurance. The total cost to repair the damage came to $1,976 US. He had to pay a $1,000 US deductible, but he says it was a hassle-free process. Curtis was driving his Model 3 one rainy day when ka-chow! He drove past Lightning McQueen. How can McQueen drive in these conditions? I thought he didn't have headlights because the track is always lit. Here comes a video from Jose. He's this week's real MVP after making this move. Honda bump avoided. Magnus was driving his 5-month-old Model 3 early one morning on the German Autobahn when ice fell off the trailer in front of him and hit his Tesla. At first, he thought it had only been one chunk of ice because there wasn't any visible damage to the windshield or frunk, so he just kept driving. At the next supercharger, Magnus looked closer and was shocked by the amount of damage the ice had done to his Tesla. The license plate of the trailer wasn't really visible in the Teslacam footage, so Magnus called the company who owned the trailer. He sent them the video along with some pictures of the damage. The company told him the driver wasn't one of their employees and sent him the contact details for a Croatian trucking company. Fortunately, the Croatian company replied quickly after he contacted them and sent him all the details and information he needed for an insurance claim. The damage will be repaired in about 4 weeks, and the truck driver's insurance provider will cover it all. The repair estimate came to €8,000 or about $8,800 US. Wow, our first Cybertruck video! Just kidding, you're not gonna fool us. This video is from Jazz, who works for Tesla in Sacramento, California. While organizing a shipment of cars that a truck had just dropped off, Jazz asked the driver if they could drive an RC Cybertruck away from the trailer and act like it was the first Cybertruck delivery. Well played, Tesla Sacramento. Jazz says they'll be giving Hot Wheels a call to discuss issues with the suspension. Bonus video! Chase had just picked up his brand new Model 3 and was driving home. Some parts of the road were covered in snow, which had blown over from the farm fields. As he approached a hill, he noticed a car in the ditch. To his surprise, it was a white Lamborghini Huracan. Chase and his family are big fans of the Wham Bam channel, and they tune in every evening. He can't believe he got to submit his first Teslacam footage within 30 minutes of taking delivery of his Tesla. To his surprise, it was a white Lamborghini Huracan. White Lamborghini Huracan. Lamborghini Huracan. To his surprise, it was a white Lamborghini Huracan. White Lamborghini Huracan.